Hello everyone! How to change Bisskey CH.8. It's easy to do. Step 1. Tuning the new frequency. Enter Satlink icon. The new frequency is 4008 H15000. Press the OK button to search for the channel. OK. Search for channel 8. Found it. Next, select channel 8. Press OK button. Oh, it can't decode the image because there's no Bisskey. Step 2. Insert Bisskey. Enter other icon. Select TV channel. Select to channel 8. Press button O. A window for Bisskey will come up. Press the F1 button to insert Bisskey. Bisskey can be obtained from the internet. Insert Bisskey in the slot. Press the blue button to confirm. Success! Picture has arrived. Thank you for watching. See you again next clip. Bye-bye.